Campion College is represented by Justin Coleman, Marco Mitchell, Charles Michael Buchanan, and Ayana Clare. Denbigh High is represented by Justin Davis, DeMarco Powell, Devonnie Williams, and Sade Roy. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello everyone, and welcome to round one of TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz 2025. I'm your host, Marlene Stevenson-Daly. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, the temperament to move to the next round? This is the opening challenge, and in this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier, we had the toss and Campion College won. They decided to send Denbigh in first. So we begin with Denbigh High. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's get that time on the clock. Denbigh, we begin with mathematics. A rectangle with a perimeter of 72 centimeters is twice as long as it is wide. What is the area of the rectangle?
So that's 72 divided by 2, and that's 45. 35 centimeters.
Incorrect, 288 centimeters squared. Mathematics for Campion. A rectangle has a perimeter of 14 centimeters. If its length is 4.5 centimeters, then what is its area?
9, so it's 905, 2.5 times 9, 18, that's 23.5 centimeters squared.
23.5 centimeters squared.
Incorrect, 11.25 centimeters squared. International affairs for Denbigh. Look at the monitor. Identify which country's flag is displayed.
Asian country. We have
Bhutan.
Bhutan.
Incorrect, Mongolia. International affairs for Campion. Look at the monitor. Identify which country's flag is displayed.
Kazakhstan.
Correct. History for Denbigh. How old was Queen Elizabeth II when she was crowned the Queen of England?
How old is it? 26. 32 years old. 32 years old.
Incorrect. 27. History, Campion. Queen Elizabeth II succeeded her father as the British monarch. What was his name?
King George VI.
Correct. Physics for Denbigh. Under the centimeter gram second, that's the CGS system, what was the unit for power?
Power. Dine. Was it erg? Dine. Dine!
Incorrect. Erg per second. Physics for Campion. Under the centimeter gram second, CGS system, what was the unit of magnetic flux density?
Gus.
Correct. Music for Denbigh. Listen to the clip. Give the title of the song.
When you are on my mind, Bobby Womack's on the radio. Sing to me.
We have You Are on My Mind.
You are on my mind.
Incorrect. We Belong Together. Music for Campion. Listen to the clip. Give the title of the song.
Toughest road you ever played, Hollywood created superstar.
Candle in the wind.
Correct. Spanish for Denbigh. What is the English translation of the question? ¿Cuál es el primer mes?
Where are your cousins? Where are your cousins?
Incorrect. Which is the first month? Spanish for Campion. What is the English translation of the question? ¿Qué fecha es hoy?
What date is it today?
What date is it today?
Correct. And Denbigh, theatre and cinema. Look at the monitor. Identify this actor, please.
Kevin Steelberg. Kevin Steelberg!
Incorrect. Glenn Powell. Theatre and cinema for Campion. Look at the monitor. Identify this actress.
Samantha Spindler.
Incorrect. Pamela Anderson. Information technology for Denbigh. What does the acronym GUI or the abbreviation GUI stand for?
Graphical User Interface. Graphical User Interface.
Correct. Information technology. This is for Campion. What does the abbreviation DBMS stand for?
Database management system.
Database management system.
Correct. Sports. Denbigh, look at the monitor, identify this person.
Cody Gakpo.
Correct. Sports. Campion, look at the monitor, identify this person.
Nathan Ake.
Nathan Ake.
Correct. Literature for Denbigh. And that's the bell. That's the end of the opening challenge. The scores are Campion College on 7 and Denbigh High on 2. When we come back, it'll be time for the speed challenge. Schools Challenge Quiz 56 returns right after these messages.